Hello students, in this video we will discuss about how to draw similar triangle to the given triangle and ratio of sides are given. There are two types of questions arises in this topic. First question is when ratio is proper, that is m upon n is less than 1. How to draw the similar triangle? For the understanding this, we take here one question. Question is draw a similar triangle to given triangle when ratio of sides is equal to 3 upon 5. Now, in this case, first we draw a triangle, which triangle is given. Suppose this is a triangle ABC, which is given triangle. Sides of this triangle means some information about this triangle may be given, and first you draw this triangle with the help of given information. First you draw this triangle, then make an acute angle like this, AX, with the side AB, but condition that this angle should be acute angle, that means this angle should be less than 90 degree always. Now, since 3 upon 5 is less than 1, that means this is proper ratio. So, on the AX line, we should be cut equal 5 halves. That means what is the denominator? That means greater ratio, larger ratio. We should cut an arc equal to 5. That means of the same radius with the help of your compass. That means you should be take a radius in your compass and cut like this from this and this type of arcs should be cut here like this, first, second, third, fourth and fifth. Naming as A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5. In this situation, that means if ratio is less than 1, then always you join this last arc to the B point with the help of scale. Now, since small ratio is 3, that means equal to numerator, we should be identify that arc on the AX line. That means this is the A3, 1, 2, 3, that means this is the A3, and from the point A3 we should be draw a parallel line to A5B. That means from here we should be draw a parallel line in upward direction to the BA5. How to draw the parallel line? I tell you here. Take any radius in your compass and put on A5 and cut an arc like this. This arc touches AX line and BA5 both. Don't increase or decrease. Put on the A3 and cut another arc like this. Now, with the help of compass, you should measure the length of this arc, means from here to here in your compass, here to here, and cut another arc from here to this arc, and join A3 to the intersection point of this arc and draw in upward direction. This line will be parallel to BA5, and suppose we write the name of this intersection point is B dash. That means B dash A3 will be parallel to BA5 by the construction. Again, from this point means A3B dash intersect AB at B dash. Again from B dash, we should we draw a parallel line from B dash to the BC. And the same way, again take any radius in your compass and put on the B and cut an arc like this. By the same radius, we should be cut another arc from B dash like this. Again measure length of this arc from here to here in your compass and cut same radius from here to this and join again B dash to this intersection point and draw like this. This line cut AC at C dash. Now here B dash C dash will be parallel to BC, and you can see here one new triangle have formed, A B dash C dash. So A B dash C dash will be similar to triangle ABC, which is the given ratio, which is the given triangle. Means ABC was the given triangle and A B dash C dash will be new triangle which is the similar to ABC. That means triangle A B dash C dash will be similar to triangle ABC. Now this construction have done, but your solution is not completed. In this case, we should be justify your answer. That means how to prove that triangle A B dash C dash is similar to the triangle ABC, whose ratio of sides are 3:5. Now write here justification. Justification. How to justify your answer, your construction. That means now first take in triangle ABA5. ABA5. In triangle ABA5. You can see here, since A3B dash, since A3B dash parallel to A5B, A3B dash is parallel to A5B by the construction. Now you can see here in a triangle ABA5, one line is parallel to one side of that triangle. That means we can apply in this concept, in this triangle, Thales theorem. Therefore, by BPT, if a line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, then that line will divide remaining two sides in the same ratio. That means here we can write AB dash upon AB is equal to AA3 whole upon AA5. This is the according to definition of Thales theorem. Now putting the value of AA3 means between A and A3 there are how many parts? 1, 2, 3. That means this will be 3 whole upon AA5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the 5. That means therefore AB dash is to AB equal to 3:5. That means this upon this means AB dash upon AB equal to 3.5. Now we are going to in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, B dash C dash is parallel to BC. Reason that by construction. Therefore, according to BPT, by BPT, we write here is AC AC dash upon AC is equal to AB dash upon AB, and similarly you can write also, this gives the already BPT, B dash C dash upon BC. Since here already find AB dash upon AB equal to 3 upon 5. Therefore, AC dash upon AC equal to 3 upon 5 equal to B dash C dash upon BC. Therefore, we can write here AB dash upon AB equal to B dash C dash upon BC equal to AC dash upon AC equal to 3 upon 5. Now you can see here ratio of all sides of both triangle is equal to 3 upon 5, therefore justified. Now in the next video we will take another type of fraction when ratio of sides is given in the form of improper fraction.